Hello and welcome to 15-minute full body workout at home for beginners. For beginning our workout journey, we will be doing 4 simple exercises which I explained in one of my previous video along with the proper instructions about how to do them in a proper way. In this 15-minute workout routine, we will be starting with stretching and warm-up, following with knee push-ups, plank, crunches and squats, and finally ending our workout with proper cool down and stretching. To avoid any kind of injury while doing these exercises, I suggest you watch my previous video to be in the proper form and learn how to do these exercises correctly. So without any further ado, let's get started. We will start with stretching out our body parts to get rid of any kind of tension and strain in them. Leveling up the energy, we will start with 1 minute jogging in place. Activate your whole body in this exercise. Keep breathing. Oxygen supplies you with the energy you need to reach your full potential. Following with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Come on, let's start. Put in energy, guys. Your whole body is active right now. Alright, now for last 30 seconds of warming up our body, we'll do high knee jumps. With 3, 2, 1, start. Don't slow down, get going. Alright, take 3 deep breaths to gradually slow down your breathing rate. Now that our full body is warmed up, we can start with the first exercise of this routine, that is push-ups. In this workout routine, we will burn approximately 120 to 150 calories depending on respective body types. But the long-term impact of these exercises is going to stay for coming whole day and you'll be burning calories even when you'll be resting or sleeping. We'll do 20 repetitions of knee push-ups in 2 sets with 30 seconds break in between. I'm saying it again. Go watch the video in I button to learn the correct form of these exercises in order to avoid injuries. Now, let's start with our 20 knee push-ups. Get in the position. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is to tone your arms. Come on, 10 more push-ups. Five more. and done. Now relax for 30 seconds. Pay attention to your breathing. Take full deep breaths in the break time. Are you ready for the next round of push-ups? 3, 2, 1 and go. Don't lose the momentum. Get going, 10 more. Last 5 push-ups. Woohoo! There you go. 1 minute break before our next exercise. Breathe and relax. Drink water if you feel exhausted. Just a sip or two, not too much. Coming up is our next exercise, plank. Get in the position. We'll start with 3, 2 and 1. Keep your body in a straight line. Come on, hold this plank for 20 more seconds. Last 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. 30 seconds breather in between. Take 3 deep breaths to refill our energy. Ready for the next plank? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start. Make sure your elbows are right below your shoulders. Try to breathe as normally as you can. Don't give up, just 30 more seconds to go. Last 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! 1 minute breather. before our next exercise. Are you enjoying this workout, guys? Let me know in the comments when we'll finish it. Breather is the time when we breathe and relax and feel good about ourselves. Coming up is 2 sets of 20 reps of crunches with a short breather in between. Crunches help to burn our abdomen fat and get those stunning and gorgeous looking abs. On the mat, lie down on your back, fold your knees, hands at the back of your head facing the ceiling. Let's start with 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get going. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax for 30 seconds. Don't forget 3 deep breaths. Okay, now get ready for another set of crunches. Starting with 5, 4, 3, 2 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Relax for 1 minute. Get up slowly by rolling onto one side. Our last exercise of this routine is squats to tone your thighs and leg muscles. Get in a squat position by keeping your feet at 2 feet distance and toes pointing slightly outwards. So are you ready? Let's start. Make sure your knees and toes form a straight line. Do not cross your knees beyond your toe line. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor. Last 10 squats. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds break. It's okay if you take support of a chair in the beginning. Okay, so this time we will hold our 20th squat for 15 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and hold this squat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Congratulations! We are done with today's exercises. Now it's time for stretching and cool down. Raise hands and stretch your body to release all the tension in our muscles. Stretch your back muscles. Great. Now stretching our leg muscles. Stretching can avoid cramps and pain in all our body parts. So remember to stretch properly after every workout routine. Alright, we are done with this routine. Make sure to follow it at least for 4 days a week with 1 to 2 days rest gap every week. You'll definitely start seeing difference in your strength after doing this exercise for 5 to 6 weeks. And then you are ready to move on to an intermediate workout plan, which we will see in upcoming videos. Till then, keep working out regularly with this exercise plan. And don't forget to follow a healthy meal plan if you want to lose weight fast and keep your body healthy. So eat healthy, stay fit and active, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.